Hello everyone, this is Miss Mathewson here with a video explaining how to access all of the instrument lesson stuff. So I'm in Virtual Academy. I am in the 4th grade music section. You all should be well familiar with this. I'm going to scroll down and you can access this folder one of two ways. You can click this big orange instruction here that says click here for band lesson videos. So if you click that, there are folders in here that contain the lesson videos for your instrument. So let's say that you are Jordan or Zayla. You would go into the violin folder, and you would look at maybe posture refresher, the violin bow hold video, lesson 1. You'll need your book near you to do this. And so what I would like for you to do is over the break, go ahead and watch the first lesson video in your particular folder. Clarinet and Trumpet I have not done yet. I'm hoping to do Clarinet tomorrow, and I'm hoping to do Trumpet tomorrow as well. My trumpet is currently out of commission. I gave it a bath. I hope that works to get it working again. But I should have that done by tomorrow. So check back and see if those videos are loaded. Everything else should be in there. Saxophone, you will do Red Book Lesson 1. Don't watch the Yellow Book lessons. Those are for my students at Wake. They're working out of a different book. So it's pretty self-explanatory. The other way that you can access this folder is if you are in my virtual classroom, this thing down here. If you click on the blue link that says Instrument Lessons, that will take you to the exact same page. Okay, so all I have expectations that you will do over the break is to watch the first video of your particular instrument. Now, as you could see for violin, I added some more lesson videos, and I would just say that you cannot play the songs in lesson 4 until you go back and do lesson 1. There's really nothing that grinds my gears more than having to go back and fix bad habits. So we're going to start out with good habits, and we're going to start out with proper technique and, playing the notes in tune, really just working slowly but steadily so that we don't have to go back in 3 or 4 years and fix something that shouldn't even have been a problem in the first place. So I think I made my point. Please start with lesson 1 and work your way in order, and it'll just make everything easier. So yeah, and you can play along with the video. You can watch it, practice it, watch it again, rewind it, pause it. That's really one of the benefits of virtual lessons is that you can do that. You have control over it. So I will leave you with that. I'm really sorry that we weren't able to meet today after your music class because of the 2-hour delay, but hopefully we will see each other soon after winter break. I hope you all have a very safe and happy holiday. Make good choices. And I will see you all in the new year. Have a lovely afternoon.